Hello everyone, my name is Khushi, and in this session we'll walk through the Canvas simulator tools, the offline simulator and the online simulator. These tools are essential for testing and validating HMI projects during development, allowing you to simulate behavior without needing physical hardware. So let's begin by learning how each simulator works and how to use them effectively. So we'll start with the offline simulator. It runs your project locally on your development PC with no connection to external hardware required. This lets you test HMI screens and navigation flows, simulate virtual tech behavior, and debug your project before deploying it to a real device. To launch the offline simulator, create virtual tags in the tag editor window. So let's start by creating an int tag. So to do that, click add tag. Let's name it to int tag, select int 16 and we'll leave it as virtual. Click OK. And that's how it's created. The tag. To visualize the tag changes, we'll add a numeric text field to the page and link that tag to the field. So we'll create a numeric text field, use the smart binding feature, and drag and drop it onto the object. Now navigate to the tools and click Launch Simulator or press the shortcut key F5 on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also use the Launch Simulator icon on the toolbar. So once you click it, let's save the project. Once launched, you can manually modify tag values to test conditional logic and screen reactions. So let's change it to a number, say 235 or 500. This is a great way to identify and fix issues early in the development process. So let's close it. And the next is online simulator. It connects with actual field devices such as PLCs and data servers before your project is deployed to an HMI. It lets you view and control real-time values as if you were running the project directly on the hardware. So to launch the online simulator, you first need to create an I/O device within the project before creating a real tag. In this case, I have already set up an I/O driver using the CIMON PLC Ethernet protocol connected to a CIMON PLC. So go navigate to Tools, I/O device editor, and as you can see, I already created the Ethernet device with the CIMON PLC HMI protocol. Make sure you have the IP address of the PLC so the communication is established. Additionally, the CIMON software is running the inc instruction, that is increase instruction in the background. So as you can see, I have this icon open and it's already running the inc instruction with the D10. To learn more about this icon software, please refer to the technical guides and videos on the CIMON website or on the YouTube channel. So let's go back to the Canvas software. Now let's create a real tag in the tag editor. So we'll create a new tag, say real tag. In here we'll use int again, and in the I/O device make sure to select the I/O driver that you created, like the I/O device that you created. So click test PLC, and if you remember, the data register that I used is D10. So we'll use the I/O address and click OK. Now we'll create another numeric text field. We'll use the smart binding, so drag and drop it onto the object, navigate to the tools, launch online simulator, or press F6 on your keyboard. Alternatively, click the launch simulator icon on the toolbar. Save the project and that should run. As you can see, these numbers are changing according to the D10 data register. Once launched, you can simulate real-time communication with connected devices. It's ideal for comprehensive testing, including protocol validation and device integration checks, without needing live equipment in the field. Just a quick note, the online simulator will automatically shut down after 2 hours of continuous operation. So to continue testing, simply relaunch the simulator when needed. So for now, we'll close it. So to conclude, in this session, we covered the offline and online simulator tools available in Canvas. By mastering these simulation options, you'll streamline your project development, catch issues early, and ensure a smoother deployment process for your HMI systems. I hope this video helps you feel more confident and efficient when working with Canvas. Thanks for watching.